Hello guys, and welcome to this video. On this video guys, we are going to be talking about the Lyraxis Airdrop. We are going to be talking about their latest update, their listing update, the reason why I found this project very scamming, the reason why they are very fishy, and the reason why I never trusted this project even on the first place. Okay, so all this are going to be discussed on this video. Please do well to watch the video till the end, because there are a lot of things that you need to be aware of if you are actually participating on this project airdrop called Lyraxis Airdrop. Okay, so right now watch the video till the end, do not skip any parts. And before we start the video properly, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk a lot about crypto. I give you crypto updates back to back. I show you how to make money in the crypto space. I expose every given opportunity that's going to help you succeed and keep earning in the crypto space. So if you want to be subscribed to our YouTube channel, please consider clicking on the subscription button down below to actually subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon appearing and select all, so that whenever I post new video, you'll be the first to know about it. Also, go ahead to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share it to your family and friends. Finally, drop an interesting comment right there on the comment section to stay ahead and get your questions answered. Okay, so let's now get started with this project called Lyraxis Airdrop. First of all, their claiming is supposed to be on the 20th of November, and you can see clearly right here they say that the claiming of this project is going to be after next 8 hours, which you can see right here at the point of making this video. In the next 8 hours, we are going to be able to claim this token. But here is where the problem is. They said that we are going to be claiming the token on the 20th of November 2025, and today's date is 22nd of November 2025, meaning that they actually shifted their initial claiming date till today, being 22nd of November 2025. This is the first reason why I believe that this project isn't what they say they are. Even the first video that I made about this project, I explained to you guys the reason why I do not really trust this project, and the reason why I'm not even participating on the pre-sale or whatsoever. So if you want to be watching the video, you can go ahead, search my channel. You are going to be seeing the video that I made about it, the Lyraxis Airdrop, telling you guys the red flags that I noticed concerning this project. But let's leave that one aside. Let's now talk about the fishy part of this project. Okay, so if you check out this project clearly, you can see a lot of people are told to be eligible for this project. They were told that they are actually eligible for this project right here. You can see they said qualified right here, that I'm qualified. And at the beginning they said that for you to be qualified for this airdrop, you need to complete a lot of tasks, maybe I think a minimum of 10 tasks or thereabouts. I can't really recall, but personally, I'm going to be confessing to you guys that I never actually completed any of those tasks. And that is not because I do not complete tasks, but because I found this project very fishy and scammy. And I told you guys clearly on that video. And after making that video, I even forgot about this project. So, but checking it recently, I found out that I was even qualified for this project, even when I didn't complete all the tasks that they gave us, only that I have certain number of referrals. And they said I'm qualified. A lot of people who didn't clearly complete all their tasks were also told to be qualified, meaning that they are actually looking for the attention of large number of people, not minding their error. So they said that the claiming is going to be today, and we only have 8 hours left before we can be able to claim this project. And checking it clearly on X, there is no reasonable update that they have given about this project. You can see clearly right here, no exchange has said anything about this project. I just wonder where we are going to be able to swap our token or sell our token after claiming, since no project has said anything at all about this project called Lyraxis Airdrop. So the last update that they gave us right here, which is 1 day ago, imagine a project trying to list their token or airdrop their token to their community without saying any reasonable thing, or without keeping their community engaged with a lot of tweets right here on Twitter. That is another red flag why I think this project is not really what they say they are. So right now, let's go back right here. According to them, they said their token is going to be listing right here on November 2025, and today's date is 22nd of November 2025, and no exchange has said anything about this project. So now, if no exchange has actually said anything about this project, then I still think this project is maybe scam or fishy, because for your project to list successfully, an exchange is supposed to talk about them at least 3 to 4 days before the actual listing. Though we are still watching, but after claiming this token, we are going to know what is gonna happen next. All right, so another downside about this project is that up to 100,000 plus persons actually qualified for this airdrop, and the total supply of this project token is 1 billion, and of course 35% was actually set aside, which is going to be given to the community. Now, top persons on this project, or people that got the most airdrop allocation from this project, got 1 million plus. Now, if you do the reasonable calculation with just your logic, you will find out that the total token that is going to be given to the community surpasses the 35% that was actually brought out as the airdrop allocation, which is going to be shared to the community. All right, now here are the things that I need you guys to put in mind if you actually participated on this airdrop. Now, one thing that I need you to put in mind is, first, make sure that you never deposit any of your token to this platform, because they might actually tell us to deposit gas fee before we can be able to withdraw our token, or before we can be able to swap our token or whatsoever. Before you actually deposit any of your token to this platform, you should make sure that the token you are depositing, that you are ready to lose it, because I do not trust this platform. I'm only making this video because I know a lot of people actually got onboarded through my video and my link. Okay, so do not make any deposits on this project if they ask for it. I don't know if they are going to ask for it, but if they do not make any deposit. So if they say that you should claim, again, make sure that the wallet that you actually connected to this is not the wallet that hold your asset, that is your main wallet. Make sure it is not your main wallet. Make sure that the wallet that you are using to interact with this project is actually a wallet that you created differently for it, because nobody knows the real intention of these people, as they are only giving us hope upon hope without any realizable news about them given anywhere. Okay, so right now we are still watching out for this project. Just make sure that you interact carefully on this platform. Make sure that you do not make any deposit. Make sure that whatever you do right here, you are doing it with funds that you are ready to lose, because nobody knows their real intention. Okay, so basically you can see our allocation has been given, which they actually gave us only 75% to be claimed. They are holding 25%, and they said that this is actually for what? They said for utility activity. Nobody really knows what they mean by that, or for whatever. I don't really know. So, but this is the full breakdown of this project, and those are the things that I need to take note of before you actually do anything. Now, if you click over here on transfer, you can see transfer of token between users on this project will be unlocked for you utility activity soon. In-app trading will also be enabled. Anticipate and keep performing activity to earn more Lyraxis token, as I might pronounce it. So basically, this is the latest update about this project. Let's just watch out and see the news that they are going to be giving to us after this countdown right here. Remember, they have already changed their claim date from 20th to 22nd. So I'm just making this video to let you guys know what you need to have upstairs, so that you don't get to lose your funds or your assets to this project. All right, so I'm not calling them a scam, and I'm not calling them a legit project either. So make sure you just interact carefully. Let's look at them and see what they are going to be giving to us at the end. If they are scam, we are leaving it. If they are not, we then claim our token and enjoy our free money. All right, so thank you for watching the video. I believe you got a lot of information right here. If you really do, let me know your thoughts right there on the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever we drop any new video, you will get to know about it immediately. Thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video dropping very soon.